Good morning, guys! So, marami nag-request na to, which is a day in my life. Gonna do a bunch of errands. It's actually super early right now. 6:16. You know why? I'm not usually up ng morning. My cat woke me up at 4 a.m. Pinaka-pet peeve ko is being woken up. Girl, sobrang nagpapaka-Hulk mode ako talaga. But this time, I actually wasn't mad at all. I just tried my best to get more rest. And then my cat, Casper, God bless him, tried to calm me down. This is us every morning. He's literally so sweet. He's extra cute today, pati din si London. I guess, blessing in disguise because I'm up at 6 a.m. and I got to see my condo at 6 a.m. It looks so beautiful in the morning. I got to see the sunrise. First thing on my list is I want to work out, but since it's quite early, I might go and walk outside. I've never done that. My skin has been good to me lately. It's really soft. If there's something that I wish ginawa ko sooner, that is going to the derma. Girl, ang bilis talaga ng progress sa skin ko. In a matter of 3 months, my acne is cleared. Sorry guys, ask me, saan ako nagpapaderma? I go to Derm HQ in Makati. Look for Dr. Irene. She's my derma. I actually just saw her once. I am due for a follow-up checkup. Don't get me wrong, the skincare that I use are still the ones I share on TikTok. Tinanong lang na, like, ano yung ginagamit mo? Baka naman okay na yan. Tapos, iti-tweak lang natin yung order. And that really helped me a lot. And I'm so happy with the result. At first, it was gonna be like, wow! Ang pangit ko. Kasi, meron siyang purging. She gave me one medication, Epiduo. That shit hurts. It's so worth it. I look like I'm going to run, but I'm not. I don't know why everyone is running. Does it make you happy? Because if yes, I'm gonna do it. Let's go. Good thing the coffee places that I passed by, open na sila. So, babalikan ko sila. Just wanna walk some more. Now that I'm gaining weight, that's my point kasi I wanted to gain weight. So, in order for me to have a big butt and still have a slender figure, I need to do low impact exercises. And that's walking. You know what? This is so nice. Wala masyadong tao and bearable yung init. And it's just so nice doing a hot girl walk. Tim Hortons is open and they have a tuna sandwich that I love. This tastes like I'm gonna be up all night tonight. It's quite bitter. That was such a good walk. Definitely, hindi lang ito yung last time na gagawin ko yon. Very, I don't know, I feel like a brand new person. A brand new person, naglakad lang na isang araw. I actually have a cleaner na pupunta dito. Kasi girl, sobrang dumi talaga ng kondo ko ngayon. Before that, since I'm resting pa, and also pinapababa ko pa yung kinain ko sandwich, I will do some admin work that I've been procrastinating like my water bill. Girl, hindi ko siya nabayaran last month because ang tamad-tamad kong mag-log in, this and that. Then the 2307, that's some tax stuff. Yes, I pay my taxes, so nobody can say that Salatok sa lipunan. This is proof that content creation is not just, if you know what I mean. Say hi to Tim. Good morning. Good morning. You know, I have a very soft spot kay London kasi he's really my first cat here in Manila. And ang dami namin pinagdaanan. Ako ay mag-pilates. Papakita ko sa inyo ang aking Pilates princess idol. Kasi I tried move with Nicole. Girl, ang hirap ng exercises niya. Hindi ko talaga siya magawa. You want something more simple, more kaya, ganon. Yung hindi ka parang mamamatay na. Ayan, si Lydia Mera. She's good. I mean, mahirap din, pero at least hindi ako sumusukot. Pero nagawa naman natin. So, tinaksa ako ng cleaner ko. Papunta na daw siya. Usually, I'm asleep when she's cleaning. And, now that I'm up, gulatin natin siya. Charot. Do you like it? Ito guys, kahit ano pa nakain na to. This coffee. It's really bad. I'm gonna go out para makapaglinis din na maayos si Ate Iris. I will go to the bank, mag-deposit, and I think I'm gonna get my brows threaded. Iba din kasi yung atake kapag malinis yung kilay. So, let's go! Girl, I'm so happy with that. Ang ganda. Anyway, since I'm here, I'm gonna get my glasses readjusted kasi, ano, hindi siya pantay. Para re-adjust po ako. Okay.
Sige.
Ayun.
Mas okay mo.
Naman nag-workout kasi ako. Thank you po.
Welcome, ma'am.
So much better. I'm happy na gagawa ko lahat ng errands ko. Ang dami mo pala nagagawa kapag gigising ka ng aga. Ganun pala yun. Akala ko kasi hila-hilata lang. Nakatulog ako, guys. Pero, pili ko power nap lang naman kasi pero yes. Kinalita ni Ate Irish yung bedsheet ko. And wala, it's just so attractive. By the way, mag-invest kayo sa good the way. Queen size yung bed ko, pero king size yung mga pillows ko. Kasi gusto ko yung, alam mo yun, yung alabot-labot talaga. Guys, I've been loving Beauty Milk. Not sponsored, pero I ordered yung, ano yun, nagla-live sila, nabudol lang ako. I'm feeling ko nakaka-fresh naman siya. This is my 10th one. Guys, I love this table so much as an iPad kid. iPad kid, pero I really love watching shows kapag kumakain. And Modern Family is my obsession. I've watched this siguro mga 4 times already. I love it so much. But yes, this table, so good. Okay, it's time to do some actual work. So, what I'm gonna do is actually plan out my content for the rest of the week. Kasi kapag hindi ko ito ginawa, girl, I will just lay in bed. Or parang napaka-patatas ko for that week and it's not good. And I'm also trying this new technique na I'm working around my cycle. I know kasi kapag nagka-PMS ako, ayoko talaga magtrabaho. Ako ay magpapakapatatas sa aking bed. So, I'm trying to get everything done. I can pre-film everything so when I'm feeling really, really low energy, I can edit na lang in my bed. But yes, ang gagawin ko lang ngayon is everything I have to film or I wanna film this week for TikTok, for YouTube, because gusto ko talaga seryosohin yung YouTube ko, guys. So please like, subscribe, comment. Alam niyo na yan. Okay, I'm all set for the week and actually meron akong i-film na video today for TikTok. I have to go out to shop with me. I'm gonna buy the Maybelline foundation. And then, one last thing on my to-do list is to edit TikTok na i-upload ko today. I upload usually at 5:30 p.m. and it's currently 2:35. So, dapat matapos ko siya. I filmed this churros recipe na fail. So, I'm gonna start a whole series on my TikTok. Hanggat ma-perfect ko ang churros na yan. Nanggigigil ako. But yeah, this is mainly my work. Just sitting here, thinking, filming. Yeah.
You're so long na. Ha? Alis mo na ako, ha? Dito ka muna.
Iwan ko na muna kayo, ha? Para makapag-focus ako sa isang vlog lang. Check nyo na lang yung TikTok ko. Ano ang mga ganap. Pero, dyan na muna kayo, ha? Malaki na kayo. Joke lang, sama kayo para na. Hi! I got the goods. Much. But if it's good, okay lang. Keep ang packaging. I'm gonna apply it in a way na, I don't know, parang linis ng thing. Guys, I just filmed a TikTok haul for this set. This is parang less than 1.5 itong dalawang to. Girl, ang ganda niya! And then, I also ordered clothes sa Shopee naman. Every time I need to go somewhere, wala akong top. This is from a Vietnamese brand, Sushi Clothing. And parang 1 month yung shipping nila. And I hope it's worth the wait. How to care for linen fabric. Wow, that's really going out of your way. I love it. I love it when brands go out of their way to educate you about their products so you can have the best experience. I love it! May paano, parang premium talaga. Well, the price is premium din naman, pero nice! Wow! Ala, ang ganda! Guys, ako ay magsi-Singapore trip and I feel like this is so perfect for Singapore kasi linen. Parang ayaw mong i-share ko, baby. You don't want me to share it. I-keep ba natin? But that looks so good! Yung quality niya, it's actually linen. I used to sell clothes. I know how linen actually feels. What's this? Did I buy this? Oh! This is not the material I expected, but I feel like this is cotton, which is good. It looks really pretty. It's just an off-shoulder top. I forgot ano na yung binili ko. Sobrang tagal niya. Oh my god! That's cute! That's so high quality. Stop! Ang ganda! Just got a black version of the same off-shoulder top. I will order more from them. I should have ordered more. Pero gusto ko kasi makita mo na yung quality. And this whole unpacking experience is so nice. I love it when brands go beyond for user experience. Everything will be linked in the description box because I have to share this. I'm the kind of girl that every time I makita ko maganda, I just have to share it. I can't gatekeep. This is also what I do on a daily basis. I like scrolling through my shopping apps. I don't buy all the time, pero I just like window shopping. This is what's in my cart right now. I really want to invest in higher quality clothes na pwede kong ma-share sa inyo na medyo mahal pero hindi mall price. I once bought this jumpsuit that I wore in a party once. It cost me 5K for that thing. It's pretty, but not 5K pretty. Binili ko lang siya kasi wala talaga ako mahanap na outfit, and the party is in a couple of hours now. But anyway, guys, I'll just be on my computer the rest of the night. I will edit and then I will talk to my boyfriend. Kasi mag-bebe time kami. Hindi ko na share sa inyo yun kasi hindi naman tayo close. After ko kayo isama sa buong araw, hindi tayo close. I think I'll end the vlog here habang maganda pa ako. Never naman ako hindi naging maganda. Wow, si Confidence. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aking araw kasi nagising ako na maaga for you. That's it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!